Hi guys, welcome to my channel PT with Ash. In this video, knowing how valuable your time is, I am going to explain you the different sections and question types of PTE and the pattern in just 10 minutes. So, some intro about me. I am Ash and I am from India. I have recently given PTE and you can see from the image my overall score is 85 with 85 in listening, 86 in reading, 86 in speaking and 88 in writing. The main point to note here is I am first time test taker. As you can hear, I don't have a British or Aussie accent and I am from normal English medium. And yet I cracked PTE with flying colors. I just prepared for 15 days and I used proper tips. And I haven't underwent any coaching or I didn't buy any professional packs online. So I just wanted to share you some of my insights so that you can also achieve this PTE easily. So don't waste any time and let's get started. Overall, in PTE, you have four different sections: speaking, writing, reading, and listening, in which the first section is speaking, and there you have five different types of questions. The first type is read aloud. In read aloud, immediately when you start the test, you will have a paragraph in front of you for which you will have 40 seconds to prepare. You have to read the paragraph and then you have to speak. You have to read it to the system in the recorder. You have to read it fast, fluent, and the content should be same. You will receive 6 to 7 questions of this type. The next question type is repeat sentence, in wherein you listen one sentence. Mainly it is an Aussie accent or some British accent. And then you have to repeat the exact sentence which you hear with the content and fluency. The third question type is describe image, in which you can see here you will have an image which is like a bar graph, pie chart, a map or something, anything. And then you have to see that image and prepare for 25 seconds and then speak in the recorder for 40 seconds. It is a bit complex, but with a little bit of practice you can achieve it easily. The next question type is retell lecture. You will hear a lecture which is from 60 to 90 seconds and you will have an image actually in the real exam. So you will know what the speaker is going to speak. Like you will have a brief idea on what they are going to tell. And then you will have a notepad and 2 pens given to you at the time of the test so that you can take the notes and then speak about that lecture which the speaker has given in 40 seconds. You need to be fluent in all these sections because this is a test for your fluency. Even if you are a bit apprehensive about the content, you speak with confidence and fluency. The last type is answer short question. This is a straight away question, like you will listen to a question and if you know the answer, you have to speak the answer within 5 seconds after the recorder starts. The questions are like a sample question. I can give you what astronomers use to see for seeing the stars. You can give the answer at the telescope. So you'll have a predefined set of questions. You can learn from them and give it easily. So the first section is completed. The next section is writing. In writing, you have two subsections. One is summarize written test, where you will get a text of 3 paragraphs or one paragraph. You have to read the whole text and then you have to summarize it into a single sentence which is not more than 70 words. You can see the space which is given to you here. So you have to write your answer here. The next one is essay. So it is quite straight away that they'll give a question which may be a agree-disagree type or an opinion type of essay, for which you need to write an essay from 200 to 300 words. You should not write more than 300 words. Just be mindful of your words because you will get a 0 if you write it 1 word extra. And the next section is reading. In reading, you have 6 subsections. First one is reading and writing fill in the blanks. The question is like this, where you will have a drop down. You have to, in the drop down, you will be having the synonyms of each word and you have to find out which word suits perfectly and then you need to answer it. So the next section is multiple choice, multiple answer. The question type will be like this. You will have 3 paragraphs on the left hand side. You have to read them and then you need to answer the questions given on the right hand side. In this question type, you need to be a bit careful because there is negative marking and more than one answer is correct. So just be mindful of what you give there. The second one is reorder paragraph in reading. It is a whole paragraph which is having a definite meaning, but they scatter the sentences. You need to arrange it in correct order on the right hand side and form a meaningful paragraph. The next type is reading fill in the blanks, drag and drop. Here you have all the answers in front of you. You just need to pick the correct word and have to fill the space given above. The next type is multiple choice single answer. So you have to read this paragraph and you have to write the answer on the right hand side, and here you will have only one answer which is correct. The difference is like here you have a radio button, and for multiple choice multiple answer you have a checkbox. So with that you will know you have to give one answer or more answers. Okay. And the next one is listening. Next section, in which you have 8 subsections. And the first one is summarize spoken text. In listening, you will have everything recorded, like a recorded paragraph, a recorded sentence, a recorded passage. Nothing you can see on your screen. You have to listen and take notes if you want, and then you need to reproduce the same thing for the answer. You will listen a text. The speaker will give you a brief lecture about something and you have to write it in your own words, 50 to 70 words. Be mindful of the words here. The next section is multiple choice, multiple answer. It is the same as multiple choice, multiple answer in reading, wherein you have a paragraph written. Here you have a paragraph which you will hear. So the same thing applies here. It have negative marking. The next thing is listening, fill in the blanks. Here you will listen to a lecture, you need to write the blanks here. This is comparatively easy because in the lecture you will have the answers. You just need to listen it carefully and reproduce the same word which they have spoken in the lecture here. If you cannot type as fast as, if you cannot type fast, you can just write it down on the notepad and then you can just type it here. The next is highlight correct summary. You will listen to a paragraph and then you need to tick the correct summary, and here only one answer is correct. It's better if you take notes, or if you think that you are good at listening, you can just listen to what they say and then answer it. The next section is multiple choice single answer, in which you will hear a paragraph and you need to click the correct answer here. The next type is select missing word, in which you will hear a recording and in that the last words are beeped out and you need to select the correct words depending on, logically you have to think what paragraph they have said and what might be the correct answer for that, and you can give that answer here. The next section is highlight incorrect words. It is also easy, comparatively easy than the other questions, because you will hear the answer right away. The speaker will mispronounce or misplace some words from this paragraph. So you need to just scroll your mouse there and then you have to just click on what are the words that the author has mispronounced. The next section is write from dictation. This is similar to something like your repeat sentence, where you will hear a sentence and you need to type it in the below text box. So these are all the 20 different kinds of questions you will have in PTE. And hope you have had a chance to see all the questions, and please share, comment and subscribe for more updates. I'll be posting the videos of each section and the tricks which I have used in my upcoming videos. Please subscribe to PT with Ash. We also provide one-on-one coaching, and if you are interested, this is my email ID. You can just drop a mail. Thank you so much. Bye.